Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, today is Vlogtober day 15. I know I'm 2 days behind, but don't worry, I'll make it up to the right number this weekend, alright? Well, if you're new to my channel, every day in October I will be uploading a video. I had a little hiccup, but don't worry, I'll get back in line. Well, in today's video I will be making a homemade spicy chicken sandwich. If you guys watch my previous video, you'll see that I did a chicken burger. Well, I still had bun leaf back, so I decided to make some sandwich, Cripsy spicy sandwich this morning because I didn't want to chew with the bun. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I make this delicious Cripsy spicy sandwich. It was like a last minute dish, but it came out great. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious sandwich, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video, and come back every day for a video, guys. All right, come back every day. Oh, I want you guys to know that also that Diwali is coming up, so I will be doing some sweet Diwali recipe. So look out for my sweet rice, my vermicelli, my parasad, my mithai. Look out for all those things I will be making, right? I'll make all those things this weekend. All right, I'm not gonna wait till next week when it's Diwali to make it. I'll make it early in advance. All right, so I know that I will make up back. I'll reach back in line with my Vlogtober. All right, because now we're like 2 days behind time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy. Hi guys, here's the ingredients for my Cripsy spicy chicken sandwich. First we have some black pepper, cilantro, parsley, thyme, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, breadcrumbs. We have onion powder, chili, paprika, mustard, hot sauce, some baking powder, and we have some grated ginger and garlic. Okay, to season up my chicken breast, I'm just gonna put my grated garlic and ginger. I'm gonna put paprika, a little all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning. This is a last-minute sandwich. If you guys, this is my chili powder. If you guys watch my previous video, this is my onion powder. I did the chicken patties burger, and I still have bun leaf back, so I decided, okay, I'm just gonna make a spicy one, you know, because I don't want to waste the bun. So this is my cilantro and my thyme powder. All right, like I said, this is so last minute, so you're gonna mix this up together and let this marinate. If you want, you can leave it marinate overnight, or you can just marinate for, like me, I'm just marinating this for 10 minutes because I'm going to work this morning. All right, so we'll be back with the other ingredients. Okay guys, so my other ingredients is some flour, and I'm gonna put in my cornstarch, some baking powder. Mix this up together, and then you're gonna season your flour. You're gonna put in some all-purpose seasoning. Season it really good. You're gonna put in some onion powder and some chili powder. Lots of chili powder because it's a spicy burger, and you're gonna mix this up together. Also, you're supposed to use 1 egg, and then you're gonna put some chili powder into your egg. But as you can see, my egg is frozen, and I don't have the time to wait till it defrost, so I'm gonna make the burger without the egg. But what you're gonna basically do, you're gonna put your chicken in here first, and then put it into the egg, and then put it back into the flour, and then put it into the oil to fry. All right, but I can't do that today. I'm in a hurry. So make sure you mix everything up together here. And my oil is hot right now. As soon as it gets hot, I'm going to put my chicken to fry. So you're gonna put the flour. Make sure you flour the chicken really good. And then when the oil is hot, I'll put it to fry. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay, so my oil is hot, so I'm gonna put in my chicken now to fry. I'm gonna put in my pieces of chicken to fry. Alright. I have about 4 pieces. We'll be back. My chicken has been frying for about 4 minutes. I'm gonna turn them over. This is how they're looking. I'm gonna turn them. We'll be back. So while my chicken is frying, I'm gonna make my spicy sauce. This is some ketchup here. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise and some mustard hot sauce. And I'm gonna mix it up together. This is gonna be my spicy sauce. All right. Perfect. We'll be back. So my chicken is finished frying now. So let me just show you guys. This is how it's looking. It's all done. So we'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna toast my buns now. This is my bun here. So I'm gonna put some butter into my pan and let it melt. So then you're gonna put your bun inside of the butter and let it toast for about 2 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my bun finished toasting, so I'm gonna put my spicy sauce on my bun. Alright, like I said before, this is a last minute, so I don't even have cheese, cucumber, nothing. So I'm gonna put it chicken on the bun just like this. Fix them however you want to put them. All right, perfect. And then you're gonna put some sauce on the top of the bun, and then you can put the remaining sauce on top of the chicken. This is gonna be so delicious, guys, so delicious. All right, so this is my lunch today for work. So here you go, guys. This is my spicy chicken sandwich. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my spicy chicken Cripsy sandwich. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and please share and like my video. You can leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, today is Vlogtober the 15th. I know I'm 2 days behind, but don't worry, I'll make it up for you guys this weekend. I have so much delicious recipe coming for you guys this weekend. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy. Take care. Bye.